Hi, I'm Curtis Aikens, a University of California Marin Master Gardener in Novato, California. Sweet potatoes, one of the most versatile foods grown. I love them. I love to eat them, and I also love to grow them. Today I'm going to show you how to start your sweet potato slips. That's what baby sweet potatoes are called, slips or sprouts, in your own home. So how do you choose a sweet potato to grow? Well, let your taste buds and your family's enjoyment be your guide. Any potato that you like to cook, bake, eat, whatever, is a great potato to start. Okay? Now, where do you get them? The grocery store or your local farmer's market. Any place that you see wonderful sweet potatoes. It can be the orange or the red, the yellow sweet potato, or the purple sweet potatoes. They all sprout the same way. To start your sweet potato slips, baby sweet potato plants, or sprouts, they're all the same thing. We're going to need 3 items. Sweet potatoes, of course, some type of container to sprout them in. Around my house, I have a lot of flower vases, so I've got several of those. And I don't want you to feel like you have to go out and buy something. You can just use a glass, just a regular drinking glass that you can spare. Anything like that, you can sprout your potatoes in. And of course, we're going to need water. Let's get started. All right, so I've got my sweet potatoes. Let's choose the different vessels that it may work for. So it's just a matter of, sizing them up. We're going to fill them with water. I like, whoops, I'm going to spill a little bit there. I like to go about 1/3 of the container there. That's about 1/3, right? And as they sprout and water is depleted, remember to replenish that water. We want to keep them nice and hydrated, just like we do when we're out working in the sun. Just find a potato that fits in the certain vessel. That's a little too loose. Let's try a different one here. This looks pretty good. There we go. And again, fill it about 1/3. Let the water get in there. And then as it evaporates, add more water. Okay, looks good. And any vessel, flower vase, whatever works, as long as the potato fits in there, it should work. Now I'm going to remove that sticker, our organic sticker. Okay, put that in there. We'll add water. Like I said, about 1/3 of the way up. What we want to do next is put these onto a windowsill, a sunny windowsill, and give them 2 to 3 weeks to sprout. As I said, they start to sprout in about 2 to 3 weeks. Now these have been sprouting for about 4 weeks. Look at those gorgeous sprouts. This one has been sprouting for about 5 weeks. Now, once they've sprouted like this, we want to take these little slips off the sweet potato, and then we're going to put them in water. It's, again, so easy, a very simple process. We simply pull this off. Try not to break it. Just pull it away from the sweet potato. Be gentle there. See how I'm doing that? Firm and gentle at the same time. There we go. See that? Now we want to put it into a vessel again with water. That one's too small. How about that one right there? And we want to allow these roots to, the same way we sprouted it on the potato, these roots will start to sprout from the slip. Gorgeous. I've got some here that I've already rooted that I'd like to show you. Look at this one. Now this is actually ready to be planted. Those are nice long roots. I've got another one as well. This has been in the water now for about 3 weeks after taking it off the plant. Look at that nice, gorgeous sweet potato root. Now these, I'll show you one more. All of these are ready to be planted. Look at that gorgeous root system there. Look how large the plant is, even growing now in the water. It's an absolutely beautiful plant when it's in your garden. This is the first of a 3-part video series, starting your sweet potatoes. Next, we'll be planting them. And then later on, we'll have one for harvesting. It's a simple, easy process to start your sweet potato plants. Don't be afraid. And also a great project to work with little gardeners or young gardeners, whether they're in first, second, or third grade, or in the second or third year of college. I'm Curtis Aikens, a University of California Marin Master Gardener. If you like what we're doing, please subscribe to our channel and share it with a friend. And for more information, visit our website or call our help desk.